In this lesson, you'll learn how to add client history notes. History notes allow you to store notes about a client's visit and easily access this information when required. To access a client's history, you can double-click on an appointment and select History. Or you can go through the client list, select the client, and select History. In the middle of the screen, we can see a history list containing details of each time the client has visited. Underneath that area, we have our history notes. You can add notes for the current day and for past visits. If you just want to add a visit note, select the visit and click New at the bottom of the screen. Then type in your note and click Done. If you have other note types you want to add a note for, just click on the relevant tab, then select the visit and click New. History notes are set out in a tree branch structure. When a history note is added, it will be stamped with the date, time, and the employee who added the note. You can expand or hide information by clicking on the plus and minus signs. When viewing client history, you can use these filters at the bottom of the screen. This checkbox acts as a quick filter to only show dates with notes. You can also filter by the employee who completed the service, filter by the service, or enter a date range. You can also use multiple filters at the same time. For example, I'm going to look up full body tans completed by Chris. Click on a filter button again to remove the applied filter. You also have the option to edit a note. When a note is edited, the employee, date, and time will be updated. The View feature is used to view longer history notes. If a particular history note is quite long and doesn't fit on the main screen, you can view the entire note here. When you're finished, click Done to exit the client history screen. Now that you know how to add client history notes, you can keep useful records about your client visits.